funny to me how people still act like 2-strokes are better.
That's because they are. Alright, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to be comparing the old 1990 KX250 to the modern KX450. So the old 2-stroke versus the modern 4-stroke. New bike starts on the first kick every time. But this is a 1990 and it's been sitting for 2 months since it's been started last. So the other newer bike with the Land Monster graphics, that one gets started every day.
Oh, a lot newer than this.
This one, right off the bat, kicks its butt in the looks department. Right from the start, I don't care what you say, the old one looks way cooler. You're not agreeing with me?
Oh, no, it definitely does.
Real quick before we get started, too, no front brakes on the old one. We don't
blown front forks.
And the front forks are blown. So we're going to take it easy on her. And the chain's super loose. It's stretched and we don't feel like taking a link out of it. So she needs a little bit of love. So we'll take it easy on her. It's an understatement to say that KX needs a new tire. Between not having front brakes, the blown front forks, and hard tire, wow! And the frozen ground. It's 25 degrees out right now, so it is slippery. Well, stupid me, if the bike sounded funny, it's because I was riding the entire time with the choke one. That's a fail for me. Whoops. Not that low, but this ground is rock hard. Cameraman's got the best outfit in this crew. You said you can't feel your fingers? You see, are they red? Yeah, a little bit. We're real goons, 20 degrees, no gloves. We only got 20 pairs of riding gloves. What are you gonna do? All right, guys, thanks for watching this fun little video we did, this comparison between the two bikes. The KX is better, the KX 250 is better, two strokes are always better. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Say, it's not better. You have front brakes and forks that aren't blown. Can't admit this is just better. Nothing, that's cool. That's not cool, but it's better.
I will say that 450 is a lot easier to ride and control with this frozen ground.
Oh, that's what people who only ride two strokes say.
Yeah, right.